Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find amazing products under your desired budget on Amazon, quickly and easily. In this video, I will show you what are the gadgets you will find under 300 rupees. And after this video you will get an idea about how to buy items of you like under your budget. Open any browser like Chrome, Edge or anything. In this video I'm using Edge. Now open Edge and click on the search bar. Now enter Amazon.in and click on the enter button. Page will open. Now click on the sign in and log in with your Amazon account, or you can also create new account. If you don't have one, you can also log in with your phone number. In this video I'm logging into my account by using Gmail ID, so enter your Gmail ID and click on next button, and now enter your password and click on login button. Home page will opens. Now, click on search bar, type gadgets under 300 and click on enter button. And wait for few seconds. You can find many products and also you will see products higher than 300. Now let's see how we can find products under 300. First click on sort by button. You can find this button at the top left side of the page. Now select price, low to high option. Page gets refreshed. Okay, let's now see what we found in this video. Look, here are some amazing gadgets I found. You see we have huge number of products. You can also filter the shown results according to discounts. Let me show you how. First look at the left side of the page. You can see a pop-up. In that pop-up you will find discount section. Under this discount section you can see discount options available. Simply select any option from this section. For example, in this video I am selecting 50% off or more. Now our page gets refreshed again. And see, now we can see the products which have more than 50% discount. If you want to look for the products which offer cash on delivery option, simply scroll down a little bit. You can find a checkbox on the left side of the page under category section. Simply click on the checkbox. Now you will start seeing products which are eligible for cash on delivery options. And that's it. Now you know how to find items below your desired budget using Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.